गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सबका आपके चैनल पायल सैनी मैथ्स में आप सबका स्वागत है। आई होप आपको कल वाला वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, और अगर अच्छा लगा है तो उसको लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, ताकि मेरा भी मनोबल बढ़े और आपको भी अच्छी से अच्छी मैथ्स पढ़ने को मिले। इसी के साथ आप मेरे चैनल पर अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम्स होती है या आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट हम हमारे आज के टॉपिक पे आते हैं। टुडे अवर टॉपिक इज क्लास 8 चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर्स। अवर रिवीजन, yesterday we read about what is the means of rational numbers and equivalent rational numbers, absolute values and standard form. After that we start our next point, representation of rational numbers on number line. It means rational numbers now we represent on number line. What is the means of number line? First we understand what is the means of number line. Number line is which type number there are there positive, negative and zero all are present on one line. That's called your number line. Like that I make here a line. We don't know what is the means of this, then we only simple say it's a line. It's a line. Then if I make here in the mid of the line I make here 0 and left side I write here negative, and right side of your number line it is your left side. It is the left side of number line and this side is right side of number line, and it's a number line. It's simple number line. On number line, left side of number line we represent negatives, and in between of this is we make here 0, and the right side is positive numbers. If simple I say, first we starting from simple numbers. I write here example 4, -2 and +5 represent on number line. Then how we represent? Look at here. Your first number is -2. It means it's negative number and it's positive number. We already read negative number is always of left side of number line, and plus number here positive numbers is right side of number line. Now we make here line. First we make here 0. Then before the 0 it's the left side and it's right side. I write here only L. It means left side, and here R means right side. Here 0, after the 0 minus number is starting from -1, -2, -3, -4 and extra. Now like that here +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. Now our question say -2 and +5 represent on number line. Then -2 means this is the left side of number line, then -2 is where here. Then this is our -2. It's represent on number. We only make here simple point. It's a simple point, a small point, and here is +5. Then we make here +5. It is your simple numbers represent on number line. Now we start our rational numbers on number line. Same like that your simple numbers. Now I take here your next example for your rational numbers. Next example is -3/5 and +2/3. You should say represent on number line. Represent on number line. And how we represent? First we make here our number line. Then first we make here number line. How we make? It's your number line. Between the number line midpoint is 0, and left side of 0 we make here negative numbers. Minus here is, look at here all our numbers is rational numbers, and it is will be started from -3/5, and we also put here +2/5. Then how we represent -2? Then it's starting from, look at here, if your what we call is the downside of number denominator. If denominator are same, then we put here And one more thing also condition. Your in on number line, if we represent same numbers, if there are positive and negative number, but if our denominator are not same, then first our condition say on number line. First we make our denominator are equal. Then how we make here? You can see here your downside is denominator is 5. Then first we write here 1 by 5. Next minus 2 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Next is minus 4 by 5. Next is minus 5 by 5. It means 5 divided by 5 one time. Then it's minus 5 by 5. Yeah, we can write here minus 1. Yeah, we can write here minus 1. It's also correct. Now this side is also here plus 2 by 5. Then plus 1 by 5. Plus 2 by 5. Plus 3 by 5. Plus 4 by 5 and plus 5 by 5. If you see here 5 by 5, then both are cut by 5 times, it's one time. Then we put here plus 1. When you see here 0 and minus 1, your minus 3 by 5 is represent, yeah, so on between the minus 1 and 0. Where is minus 3 by 5? Here. Here is minus 3 by 5. When see here, what is here number? Minus 1 and here is 0. Then we can say minus 3 by 5 is between of minus 1 and 0. And your positive number is plus 2 by 5. Plus 2 by 5 is here. Then we also can say plus 2 by 5 is also represent between the 0 and plus 1. Between the 0 and plus 1. Now like that your representation of rational numbers on number line is completed. Now we next topic is our operation on rational numbers. Operation on rational numbers, we know that in our mathematics there are only four operation. Which is operation? First is addition. First we take here operation on rational numbers. Operation on rational numbers. It means we calculate and check on rational numbers. There are in our mathematics there are only four operations. Which is meant four operation. First operation is addition. Second is subtraction. Third is multiplication. Next fourth is division. If you learn in algebraic, in your mathematics, geometrically there are only four operation in mathematics. First is addition, second subtraction, third multiplication, and fourth is our division. Now first we started our first operation is addition. Then our first point is addition on rational numbers. Before we started first our operation, some important facts are you also saw about that and you also know about that. What is the important facts? There is the sign fact that we know that for addition there are four signs and their result also very important in this topic. Then if your first number is positive and between sign is also positive and second number is positive, how you understand? Then that first is rational number is plus a by b and between sign is plus, it means your operation is here plus operation, and next is plus c by d. This is the sign of your rational numbers and it also your rational number sign, but this sign is your operation sign. How? Then what is our result? We only know about that what is our answer. Then our answer should become in positive number. Answer should become in positive rational numbers. It's very important. Then next is for addition. Your first rational numbers is minus. Like that, minus a by b, operation sign is plus, and next is minus c by d. Then it's both are always plus. always add, always add, but sign will be negative, but sign it's negative sign, it's always negative sign, it's always negative sign. Like that we started our addition, and now we started our addition of rational numbers. Operation number first is rational numbers on number line. Operation number first. Now we started by solve by example. I will be put here example. If first rational number is plus 6 by 5. Now we started from question 8 plus 6 by 5 and plus 3 by 5, plus 3 by 5. 8 plus 6 by 5 and plus 3 by 5. How we add? Simply it's very easy. Now you can see here your rational numbers is also positive. First number is also positive and second is also positive. And our operation sign is plus. And how we solve plus 6 by 5 plus and plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Addition plus 6 by 5 and plus 3 by 5. Operation number first and our rule number first for addition. It's very important rules. Then you can learn this and remember this. If you don't remember, then your rational numbers is not you understand your other numbers and your other multiplication and addition you are don't understand. In mathematics, it's a facts. It's a facts. Not it's a made by me. It's a fact of our mathematics. Now we started plus 6 by 5 and plus 3 by 5 plus. Then our first number is plus 6 by 5. Operation sign is plus because question said 8. Then next is plus 3 by 5. Plus 3 by 5. Now our rule number first for addition. Rule number first for addition. If your denominator are equal. Now what is the means? You also asked to me what is the means, ma'am? What is the means of denominator and numerator? 6 by 5. It's the rational numbers. We know that we all know that. And here 6 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. Now if in your addition and in your subtraction multiplication and division, if your denominator are not same, then first is our rule, make your denominator are equal. Now first example is when we see here first example in denominator are both are equal. Then now we simply add. If denominator are equal, then directly write denominator. And now second, now it's very important. Now is denominator divide by denominator means 5 divide by 5 and multiply with numerator, multiply with 6. Operation sign is plus. Now same to same here also 5 divide by 5 into 3. Now 5 divided by 5 one time, 1 multiply with 6. Then next operation sign is plus. Now 5 divided by 5 one time, 1 multiply with 3. And downside is 5. Then 6 plus 3, 9 and 5. Then your 9 by 5 is your answer. Addition of 6 by 5 plus 3 by 5, your answer is 9 by 5. 9 by 5. Next, your first example is very simple. In first example, we see here our denominator are equal. Now we take here next example. If our denominator are not equal, then how we solve? It's solve very easy. It's the next example I will be take here. If here is plus 3 by 5, add plus 3 by 5 and plus 2 by 3. Plus 2 by 3. You can see here in your first rational number is 3 by 5. Here denominator is 5 and in your second rational number here is 3. Then how we solve? It's very easy. Now we solve. First we write here solution. Rule number first we write here plus 3 by 5. Operation sign is plus sign. Then next plus 2 by 3. Now we started our next is first LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. Denominator. LCM of denominator. We know that LCM is and denominator is 5 and 3. Then LCM of 5 and 3. LCM means lowest common factor. Now here is 5 and here is 3. We already read about this and we know their divisibility rules. Here is 5 and 3, both are only unique numbers and only it is divided by 1, either 3. Then now we started from 3. Why we take here 3? Because our in division rule say first divide by smallest number. First divide by smallest number. Then smallest number is first is 3, then 1, and next is divide by 5, 1 by 1. Then next is LCM. How we find the LCM? Multiply of both numbers. Then 3 into 5 equal to 15. 3 into 5 equal to 15. Then LCM of denominator equal to 15. Now we started our next here 15. 15, our same rule in our example number first like that. First is 15 divided by first denominator is 5 multiply with its numerator 3. Then operation sign is plus. Next 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 into 2. Now 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 3 multiply with 3. 3 multiply with 3 I write here upside. Now 15 divided by 5 is 3 times multiply sign and multiply with 3. Operation sign is plus. Next 15 divided by 3, how many times? 15 divided by 3, 5 times. 5 multiply with 2 and our LCM and denominator is 15. 3 multiply with 3, 9 and 5 2s are 10 and 15. 10 plus 9, 19 by 15 is your answer. It's your answer. How is your answer came? Its answer came by LCM. First we take here LCM. After the LCM divide by 15 divide by 5. It's 3 times and next is multiply with 3 plus sign is operation sign. Then 15 divide by 3. 15 divide by 3 5 times 5 multiply with 2. Then 3 3s are 9 plus sign and 5 2s are 10 divide by 15. Then your answer is 19 by 15. Now your next example, if you want to take a screenshot then you can take. Now we start a next example. If your both rational numbers are given in negative. Rule number second. It is both our example is depend on rule number first. Now we take our next question on rule number second. Rule number second would say your first rational number and second rational numbers are given in negative, but our operation sign is plus. Then what we do? Now we check. Example minus 4 by 5. Now we write here 8 minus 4 by 5 and minus 6 by 5 on minus 6 by 5. It's a when you see here your denominator first our what is our rule. If your denominator are not equal then first make your denominator equal by LCM. 5 and 5 both are LCM, then simply LCM of both are then it's 5. Now minus 4 and look at here. Here what is your next sign? First we make here our first step minus 4 by 5. Operation sign is plus and minus 6 by 5. Next step denominator are same then we write here directly 5. Next 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 into minus 4. Operation sign is plus. Operation sign is plus. I make here big bracket. It is it's very easy for solution. Then next is 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 multiply with minus 6. Then we also make here bracket. Now 5 divided by 5 1 into minus 4 plus operation sign is and next is 1 into minus 6. How will this 1 come? 5 divided by 5 and upside is 5. Upside is 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into minus 6 and downside is 5. Now next it's very important If there are no sign, then we write here plus sign. For this, our rule is very important. I think I will be understand and I will be so on in your multiplication, but now in your addition it's come, then I will be solved. Your rule for multiplication. Rule for multiplication. Rule for multiplication. If your first number is given and between sign is multiplication and second is minus, then plus into minus is always minus, minus into plus is always minus, plus into plus is always plus, and minus into minus is always plus. Remember this is also fact like that. This rule is also come in your addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It's very important. If you don't know about this sign, then you will be doing wrong. Then now here is plus, between sign is into and minus. Then first rule plus into minus is minus, then minus 4 and operation sign is plus. Then next is plus into minus. Plus into minus yani 1 into minus 6. Then your answer is minus 6 divided by 5. Divide by 5. You can see here, we know that about the what is the means of bracket. Bracket means multiplication sign. Then next rule is your, you can see here, plus into minus. Plus into minus is always minus. Then minus 4 into minus 6 by 5. Now our rule number second of addition. If both are number in given, both are number given in negative sign, then what we do, both are always 8 but sign is negative sign, but sign is negative sign, then minus 4 and minus 6 both are 8, then 4 plus 6 10 and sign is minus 5. You can write this, then your answer is minus 10 by 5. You can also solve it, then it's 10 divided by 5 how many times, minus 2 by 1. It's also your answer is correct. But it's very important. For this, if you don't remember these and these rules for addition, for multiplication, then you don't solve your any question. Like that, your first operation of addition of rational numbers is completed. It's completed. It's completed. Now, thank you very much to see my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.